ginger, all-purpose flour, baking soda, ground milk, grated ginger, ground cloves, ground coriander, nutmeg,
I've been making this cookie 30 years.
When I woke up one morning and I said, I just gotta make this cookie.
I have been pretty much making this chocolate chip cookie for the last 15 years. We have chocolate chunks, milk chocolate chips, pretzels, and toffee pieces, and then a caramel goes in the center.
Since it's a Christmas cookie competition, I really wanted that. The feel of Christmas and family and spice, and it brings everyone together.
I saw the Cookie Bake Off contest on Facebook. You know what? I think I have the perfect cookie for this.